Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of coconut oil, a natural wonder with numerous advantages. Let's dive right in. 1. Heart health. Did you know that coconut oil can be beneficial for heart health? Studies suggest that the medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil may help raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. This could potentially improve heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 2. Immune support. Another great benefit of coconut oil is its potential to support the immune system. It contains lauric acid, which can help the body fight off harmful microorganisms and strengthen the immune response. 3. Weight management. For those looking to manage their weight, coconut oil can be a valuable ally. Its medium-chain triglycerides are efficiently metabolized and may aid in boosting metabolism, thus potentially supporting weight loss efforts. 4. Skin and hair care. Coconut oil isn't just for internal health, it's fantastic for external care too. It's a natural moisturizer, which can help nourish the skin, improve its texture, and promote a healthy glow. Additionally, applying coconut oil to your hair may help with hydration and reduce frizz. 5. Oral health. Oil pulling, a traditional practice using coconut oil, may help improve oral health. Swishing coconut oil around your mouth for a few minutes daily could potentially reduce harmful bacteria and promote healthier gums. 6. Brain health. Some research suggests that the MCTs in coconut oil might have beneficial effects on brain health. They can be easily converted into ketones, which serve as an alternative fuel source for the brain, potentially providing neuroprotective benefits. While coconut oil has numerous potential benefits, it's essential to use it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, and see you in the next one.